Hi guys and welcome to Tech Anorak. So I've got a special device on the channel today. It's the original Legion Phone Duel, and I think other than my iPhone and maybe my iPad Pro, this will be the highest spec device that I've reviewed. It's got the 865 Plus, Snapdragon 865 Plus from last year, and it's a massive 512 gig onboard storage. So yeah, let's get into it guys. Okay, so it comes in an absolutely huge box. Just for scale, here's a Moto G30, and yeah, that's a big boy. Okay, so let's get this open, guys. So, really nice presentation. So I think from previous videos I've watched, you put this back. So you can get sound playing from your phone unboxing experience. That's so cool. So it's a bit like a birthday card that, you know, has sound if you've ever had one, guys. Just do a really quick unboxing. There's your SIM release tool, books and stuff, USB to aux output. Here's the device. So it came in red and blue. This is the red. Very nice looking, smart. Get this powering up, guys. So this was I think an international review unit. So it's I think it's a 60-watt charger, looking at it, but this is an American one, so I can't use it. But you do get in the box dual USB-C chargers, hence the name Legion Phone Duel, because it's got a charger there, a charger here, which I think is an awesome idea, because when you're playing along you can charge it downward and this isn't interfering, you know, you're not doing any gymnastics, you know, with a charger in the side. The other thing about this phone, guys, I'm like a kid at Christmas, it's just so cool, this phone. It's got a pop-up selfie cam, so I've wanted to use an all-screen phone for a while. So let's get in, guys. So this is on rear-facing camera. Front-facing camera, yeah. But unfortunately, yeah, it doesn't have face unlock, but it's got a very fast fingerprint scanner. Boom, you're straight in. Okay, with this being a gaming phone, guys, let's get into Call of Duty Mobile. Beautiful 1080p screen. It's 144 Hz refresh rate, and touch sampling, I think it's 240 Hz. So this is honestly the first game I've played this round that you're going to see. Wow, it does feel really responsive. Oh. Predator kill. Is there someone behind me? Yeah.
Contact with enemy. Enemy contact. Target's inside.
Free off, come on guys. Boom. I think we did alright. Let's see.
Enemy contact. Contact with enemy.
Cross street.
Contact with enemy. Reloading. Watch out. Reloading. Need backup.
I think my crew's winning. Oh, grenade.
Inside. Enemy contact.
Ah, my fire button. Lost it. Oh, need bullets. Run away! Run away! Note the change of name, guys. Gaming Anorak. So I'm still going to be Tech Anorak on this channel, but I've got a gaming channel that I've started. So yeah, I'll send you more details about that soon.
Mission accomplished. Good work.
This phone's amazing though. Really nice phone. Ah, not bad. 18 kills. Wow, 27 kills, that guy. I don't think I've ever had that many. So just a quick taster of things to come with my review for this unit. But I thought I'd get straight in there and do a quick unboxing and gaming review because I'm as giddy as a schoolboy about this at Christmas. It's amazing. And anyway, tell me what you think in the comments as always, guys. And I'll see you on the next one. Tech Anorak out. Take care.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.